Okay, let's look at some Pythagorean theorem in action. So I've got a question here. The question is, you need to buy a ladder to clean the windows of a second story of your house. Assuming you need the ladder to reach the ledge of the window, which is 5 meters from the ground, and the closest you can position the base of the ladder from the house is 2 meters due to your favorite garden bed, what is the minimum ladder length required from this task? So this is a little bit trickier because it's not actually spelling out that you need the Pythagorean theorem. But let's have a look what it's asking. So we need a ladder to reach the ledge of window, which is 5 meters from the ground. And the closest position we can get the base of the ladder from the house is 2 meters. So what's the minimum ladder length required for this task? Okay, so let's have a look. So let's use a picture. So we have, and you have to excuse the picture here, we have a house and there's the window. We have a garden bed, which we don't want to get in trouble with anyone there. Okay, so house, garden bed, and we need a ladder. Okay, so we're going to have our ladder is going to be like that. So we don't know the distance or the length of the ladder, but we do know other things. So we know that the height, of the bottom of the window ledge there is going to be 5 meters. And we know that the base of the ladder is 2 meters, is the closest we can get, is 2 meters. So we know that that bit is 2 meters. Okay, and so what we essentially have here is a right angle triangle, and now we can use our Pythagorean theorem. And so we'll say that the question mark is C, 5 meters equals A, 2 meters equals B. Now, if this isn't making sense, maybe revisit one of the earlier tutorials. So our Pythagorean theorem is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So we know that C squared equals 5 meters squared, and we get that from there, plus 2 meters from B, so which is 2 squared. So C squared equals 25 plus 4. Okay. And so C squared equals 29. To get C by itself, we take the square root of both, and whoops, we don't, that's not, wrong button. Okay, so that means that C equals 5.39 meter. So in answer to the question, the minimum ladder length required for this, so the minimum ladder length required for this task is actually 5.39 meter. If you have found this or any other video informative or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing with your friends.